Okay, I'm assembling these Bear brakes for the rear on my 92 Foxbody. I kind of test fit everything, so what I'm doing now is I'm going through one by one and putting some Loctite on the 4 bolts that hold this backing plate on. I'm just going to use blue Loctite. I don't think red Loctite is needed. All right, there's the parking brake. You can see it's not closed all the way. So if you turn it over, pull this rubber boot off, kind of beat on it right there on the inside of the screwdriver, it'll reset itself back to completely closed. So that's how it looks once it's all the way back in. And get your rubber band, or the last time I did this I actually used a zip tie. There it is, rubber band up, and put your boot back on. Try not to ratchet it out while you're putting the boot back on like I just did. Getting this brake pad's a pain in the ass. You have to get it to pop onto the e-brake, kind of like on a drum brake setup in the back. Once you get it in, you just put these hex head or Allen head bolts back in the backside and tighten them down to like good and snug, but don't over tighten them because they'll strip out. For these brakes, it gives you a bag of shims. I needed 1 shim on the inside of the bracket, top and bottom, to get the spacing correct. It's like 5/1000ths, but that's all it is. And then if you have SN95 brakes already, these fittings don't fit what Bear sends you, so I had to get a 7/16 by 24 female to 3AN male adapter, which they send you an adapter, but it's not the right one, and then it'll go to the brake line. So I'll have that hooked up tomorrow, and then I'll bleed the brakes out. Still waiting on FedEx. All right, I got a pressure bleeder on there with about 10 pounds. It's pushing all the bubbles out.